Hey, I'm John. This is a Sebo X4 automatic, and this is Charlie's Capital Vacuums. Let me show you the Sebo Automatic X4. First things first, we'll plug it in. Right here you can turn this dial. That's your carrying handle, but you can turn that handle and the whole cord will come right off for you, so you don't have to unwrap the whole thing. Not a big deal, but it's all the little things that make the big difference. Nice long cord. It's 35 feet long. I'm going to plug this in right here, and I'm going to show you how the X4 works. Been doing this for a long time. This is by far one of the best vacuums. People know it as the Windsor vacuum. This is the residential line, the Sebo Automatic X4. On-off switch right here. This is the automatic machine. What makes it automatic is that it automatically adjusts to the different carpet piles or to the bare floor. So when you bring this from one surface to the next, the head automatically goes up and down. I'm going to bring it on the bare floor a lot more so you can see. See the light going down, so we will go down. And then I'm going to bring it back to the carpeted area. And you can see it goes back up. So again, it's totally automatic. You don't have to, there's no guesswork involved. When you bring it to the carpet or the bare floors, one surface to another, it will raise and lower to tell you, make sure you get at the right height. But also, if something gets stuck in there, all Sebos have a lifetime warranty on the valve. I'm going to use this towel right here. I'm going to put it on the floor and show you what would happen if you pick something up that you shouldn't. The machine's got a very low profile. It goes all the way around. So if you want to go underneath the bed or a sofa or something like that, you can. But unfortunately, when you do that, you might pick up a shoelace, or you might pick up a speaker, or you might pick up something that's under there. And if you do, this is what's going to happen. The machine's going to shut off totally, and that red light's going to go on, and it tells you to check the brush. So we check the brush. It's got this wrapped around it. You have to pull that out of there. Then you go back to the on-off switch to reset it. The machine resets itself, turns itself back on. That's why they call it an automatic machine, because of the height adjustment and because it automatically shuts off if anything's going wrong with it all. All Sebos come with a 5-year warranty. That's a 5-year labor, parts, and motor. Everything's covered for a full 5 years, and the belt's covered for lifetime. You get it from Capital Vacuums or Charlie's Capital Vacuums. We extend the motor warranty to 10 years for you. Basically the last vacuum you're ever going to have to buy. Another thing that sets Sebo apart, and this machine apart from the others, is this brush roll here. There's a little button under here, and you press that, and that allows you to take this brush out. You can pop it off real easy, clean it off, and you can replace it real easy. I recommend that not only Sebo, but any vacuum on the market, that the brush be replaced every couple of years, because that's the wear and tear item. That's the part that hits the carpet. With the Sebo, you can take it off and you can replace it real easy. The other thing you notice with this machine, the belt is not exposed to any of the dirt. You can't see a belt in there. The belt sits over here on the side, so it's not going to get cut by the debris or anything like that that's going into the machine. And again, lifetime warranty on the belt. Also, there's a cleanout port here. So if you pick up something a little, maybe that you shouldn't have, maybe something that's a little bigger than it can actually travel through the machine, there is a spot where you can clean it off right there. Another nice thing about this particular Sebo is the onboard attachment. It's this easy. Just pop this right out here like this, and it's got the nice flex hose on it so you can get the cobwebs off the ceiling. You got a nice dust brush here, which you can turn at different angles. This pops right back in. It's real simple. You can also pop the hose out like this. And there's a few attachments on the back of the machine. Now you can put the attachments on the end of the wand, or you can put them right on the hose. There's a crevice tool, narrow space tool, and upholstery tool. Here, we'll clean some of this mess up. The machine's got plenty of suction. And we'll finish it off by cleaning this mess up. Take that off and pop it right in the back of the machine. Very easy bag change. This will pop off right here. Okay, now this bag's a little heavier than normal because it's got some marbles in there, but I'm going to empty them out. We can just pop this off. So you pop the bag in there like this. You put it on the front like this. very easy to clean and maintain this machine. With any vacuum cleaner, they do tend to get dirty because all we do is throw dirt in them. And this is how easy it is to take apart and clean it up. You can pop the handle up just like that. You take the hose out just like that. You can actually take this totally apart like that. Take this whole top part, take the filter out, take the bag out, take the motor, leave it aside, and take all this stuff and clean it off in the sink. And it goes back together real easily, just like that. The hose in there, the handle on here, and you're back together. Get a little bit of the edge clean, put some of that down. A little hair. Well, there's a cricket in here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's actually pulling the dirt right off the edge, right to the edges. There you have it. I'm John. This is a Sebo Automatic X4, and this is Charlie's Capital Vacuum.